Are you looking for the best spin mops? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best spin mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System. The EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System comes with 2 separate tanks. One for dirty water and one for clean, ensuring you're never spreading around soiled water. And, compared to the electric mops we tested, it cleaned just as well if not better. It was able to quickly absorb the entire 1/4 cup of water we spilled onto the hardwood floor without needing to be wrung out. It was also able to clean stains on hardwood floors in less than 12 passes each, just 2 for the apple juice, canola oil, and marinara sauce. When it came to cleaning the grease off of the wall, it only took a couple of swipes, when kept at its shortest length. It was also able to clean Velveeta cheese off of both the floor and grout in about 5 swipes. This spin mop also cleaned the entire coffee spill almost instantly. Despite not having a swivel head, the mop was easy to navigate around furniture legs thanks to its triangular mop head. On top of all this, it comes with a foot-activated pedal to wring out the mop head, so there's no bending over. Since the mop is light, it was easy for us to carry, move around, and adjust its length, which enhanced our overall experience. Setup only took 45 seconds, which is the fastest out of all the spin mops we tested. And when it was time for cleanup, the microfiber mop head came out of the wash with minimal staining and fraying. Although we like the 2-tank system, hands-free wringing, and maneuverability of this mop, we do wish the bucket had wheels for even more portability, although it does come with a handle for carrying. Head material, microfiber, handle length, up to 51 inches, weight, 6.7 pounds, machine washable head. Yes, includes RinseClean bucket, adjustable telescopic handle, microfiber mop head. Number 2. O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop. O-Cedar's more affordable model makes a great value pick. Like the RinseClean, it comes with a machine washable microfiber mop head that can be wrung out using the foot-activated pedal. During testing, this mop pleasantly surprised us in the maneuverability department. Since this spin mop is lightweight and equipped with a triangular head, we were able to move it and get into those tighter areas with ease. As for its absorption, this mop was able to absorb 1/4 cup of water from the hardwood floor in just 3 swipes. When it came to removing the liquid stains from the hardwood floor and the grouted tile, we were able to remove stains in a couple of passes without any cleaning solution. It also absorbed the coffee spill in less than 30 seconds with a single rinse, which pleasantly surprised us. Its triangular mop head and extendability made it easy to move both on the floor and on the wall, regardless of whether it was being pushed up and down or side to side. The mop's sturdy handle made it easy to carry from room to room. After machine washing the mop head, roughly 90% of the stains washed out with minimal fraying and loose strings. Just note that, unlike the RinseClean, this one does not have separate dirty and clean water. Head material, microfiber, handle length, up to 51 inches, weight, 5 pounds, machine washable head. Yes, includes EasyWring bucket, telescopic handle, microfiber mop head. Number 3. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Spin Mop. This electric spin mop is designed to eliminate pet messes, but we found it effective at eliminating all kinds of messes. It removed most stains from hardwood floors with just a few passes. And since this is an electric mop, it allows you to dispense cleaning solution or water with the touch of a button, as opposed to having to dunk the mop into a bucket of water like manual mops typically require. Despite the fact that this spin mop does not have an adjustable handle, we did not run into any problems when using it and found it to be very comfortable for a 5'9" tester. Thanks to its swivel steering, the mop head was able to squeeze into those tight corners and reach further without us having to bend over or expend too much energy. Although this mop impressed us in the ease of use department, it is important to note that due to the mop pad spinning at a flat plane, this mop is unable to get into the cracks of both the tile and wood. Come time for cleanup, the pads are easy to remove and can be tossed in the washing machine, although there was some staining from the marinara sauce even after washing. And since there's no bucket, it's nice and compact for storage. Head material, microfiber, handle length, 45 inches, weight, 11 pounds, machine washable head. Yes, includes 1 mop, 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, 2 trial size pet multi-surface formulas, 1 storage tray, 1 charging adapter plug. Number 4. Libman Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. When it comes to lightweight spin mops, this one from Libman is a great choice. Weighing 5.5 pounds, this spin mop was able to successfully clean about 80% of stains from the tile flooring. It cleaned grease from the floor with 5 swipes and the coffee with nearly 8. It took a bit more effort, about 25 swipes, to clean the Velveeta cheese thoroughly from the grout. That said, we only needed to dampen the mop during this process as opposed to rinsing its head entirely, which we appreciated. It only took us 49 seconds to set up, as it came almost completely assembled and was easy to control and move thanks to its lightweight feel. The adjustable handle also has a good reach and was able to get close to the furniture for a thorough cleaning. The mop's wringer was also very beneficial. To remove excess water, simply release the locking lever and push the handle down into the spin chamber. The more force you apply, the more the mop head will spin. This mop was easy to carry around in the lab using the handle, even when the bucket was full. When we machine washed one of the heads, we discovered some fraying at the ends, and it felt as though the fiber's grip had deteriorated. With that being said, we would recommend hand washing the mop heads to extend their lifespan. Head material: microfiber, handle length, up to 53 inches, weight 5.5 pounds, machine washable head. Yes, includes 1 bucket, 1 handle, 2 mop heads. Number 5. Bissell Commercial Cyc Mop. If wheels are non-negotiable for you when purchasing a spin mop, consider this commercial-grade mop from Bissell. It was easy to maneuver this mop on the floor and around a dining table, despite its neck being on the stiffer side. We had to give it a couple of pushes with our feet to unlock it at times, but other than that, it was seamless. This mop instantly soaked up water and didn't require any wringing. When we felt the head after absorbing the water, it didn't really feel wet to the touch, which was impressive. When it came to absorbing the stains on the hardwood floor, it was able to do so in under 10 passes for each. We were pleasantly surprised by how quickly the mop was able to clean the butter, which proved difficult for most other mops we tested, although a little residue remained. We were also pleased with how little effort we had to exude for the mop to clean up the grease from the wall. Excluding picking up the chunks of marinara sauce and mud, as expected, this mop did a thorough job of cleaning up the remaining parts of the stains. However, the coffee stain was never fully absorbed, either, and took us a lot of effort to try to remove it all, which was somewhat disappointing. Aside from that, the mop was effective when it came to cleaning tough stains, including the Velveeta cheese. For a manual spin mop, it is heavier than some of our other picks, but it didn't feel that way when in hand. This is because the mop has wheels that add to its weight but make it much easier when it comes to moving the unit. We found the detachable wheeled base easy to move and steer and the bucket's handle easy to maneuver. We were able to easily operate the unit's centrifuge via a foot pedal and were able to control the amount of water we wanted removed while cleaning. If you're someone who likes to move the mop all over or in figure-8 motions to clean up a mess, keep in mind that this mop locks in place, making it more difficult to move without using your whole body. Head material: microfiber, handle length 39.1 to 55.8 inches, weight 21 pounds, machine washable head. Yes, includes bucket, stainless steel dolly, stainless steel mop handle, 1 microfiber hand mitten, 2 microfiber mop heads, 1 nylon scrubber.